Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I'm here today with Carmen. We're checking out Walgreens yet again for the week of July the 27th through August the 2nd of 2025. We're going to get quite the haul and we're going to get it for completely free. Can you believe that? Free.
Everything free?
Everything free, and we're actually going to make a little bit of money. Let's go?
Yeah.
So the first deal we're going to start out with is the Olay body wash. For some reason, my store is not tagged today. Not sure why, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the deal. So the Olay body wash is regularly priced at $8.29. It's actually on sale for just $7 per bottle. We actually want to pick up 3 of these. So that's going to be a total of $21. We're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Now the out-of-pocket's kind of high at $17, but we're going to get $8 of Walgreens cash back, which makes the final cost $9 total or $3 each. Now just note that we did have some Ibotta rebates that were supposed to go with this, but they disappeared sometime today on Sunday as I'm making the video, and so they are gone. Now will they pop up later in the week? Keep an eye out, maybe save that receipt, possibly, but for now we don't have anything. Now, not the best deal at $3 per bottle, but I'm going to pair this with a booster deal and it's going to make it well worth it. We're going to try all 3 of these scents. Let me know if there's one you like in particular. So the next deal I'm going to do is with the Gillette razors or the Venus razors. I thought I was going to grab 2 of these Gillette Fusion razors that are $9.99 on sale, but unfortunately my store is out of them. So I'm going to change up it a little bit. There is the Gillette Skin Guard, which is included in this sale that I'm doing, and they're also $9.99, and I have a 4 off 1 digital coupon to pair with this. So I'm going to use that, and we also have the Venus Comfort Glide razors that are regularly priced at $13.49, also on sale for $9.99. This one has a 5 off 1 digital coupon attaching to it, so I'm going to put this together for this particular deal. I wasn't expecting to do this. I was going to get 2 of the men's and use 1 of the 5 off 1, but this is going to be a better deal than I expected. Okay, so here's the deal, and I had to do my math a little bit different as I wasn't expecting this. We're going to grab 2 of these Gillette and Venus razors, okay, so 1 of each. They're on sale for $9.99, so the total is $19.98 out of total. We have a 5 off 1 digital coupon for this Gillette and this Venus, and we have a 4 off 1 coupon for the Gillette here. So that's $9 off. That's going to leave us at $10.98 out of pocket. We're going to get a $10 register reward for buying 2 of them, which makes them 98 cents total or 49 cents each. I was not expecting to use both coupons, so I'm kind of excited about this deal, really hoping that I can make it work. The next deal we're going to grab is the Suavitel. It's going to be regularly priced at $3.49, but on sale for $2.49. We also have a $1 off 1 digital coupon that you want to make sure you have clipped. Then we're going to grab 1 of these 20 ounces of Palmolive dish soap, regularly priced at $3.49, on sale for $2.49. Also a $1 off 1 digital coupon. Make sure you have that clipped. So between the 2 of them, the total ends up being $4.98. We're going to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Suavitel and a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Palmolive. So out of pocket is $2.98, but we're going to get a $2 register reward for buying both of them, making the final cost 98 cents total or 49 cents each. Another really awesome, amazing deal to throw into this. So we did this deal 2 weeks ago, but it's back. So the General Mills cereals are regularly priced at $5.99, are on sale for $1.88 this week. Now I actually have $1.50 off 3 digital coupon. You might have $1 off 2 digital, so you may want to adjust the math and do 2 boxes as opposed to 3. But since I have $1.50 off 3, I'm gonna actually grab 3 boxes. Now you could grab anything you want. I bought a Rebates. I currently have 50 cents back on Lucky Charms, 50 cents back from Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I have 75 cents back from the Honey Nut Cheerios, so that's what I'm going to grab, 3 boxes of that. Check your Ibotta because it could vary. So with grabbing 3 boxes at $1.88 each, it's going to leave your total at $5.64. I'm going to have use my $1.50 off 3 digital coupon and pay $4.14 out of pocket. Then we're going to take a receipt and submit it to Ibotta, and for me, it's going to be 75 cents on each box, so that's $2.25 back total. And that's going to leave the final cost at just $1.89 total, or 63 cents each, which is an awesome deal. I cannot wait to do this one because we are out of cereal. So I do have an honorable mention deal, or a couple of them here for you. Now, for some reason, the L'Oreal LV shampoo and conditioner is not marked, but it's regularly priced at $5.99. It's on sale for just $5 each. If you grab 2 of them at $10 total, we have a 3 off 2 store digital coupon that we can pair with a 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So the final cost is $3 total, or just $1.50 per bottle, which is a pretty decent deal. Not one I'm going to do today, but it's definitely one that you might want to grab. I also love this deal on the Walgreens sandwich bags, snack bags, storage bags, freezer bags. They're regularly priced at $3.49. They're on sale for $2.79, and it's buy 1 get 2 free. So grab 3 of them and pay $2.79 out of pocket. It makes them like 93 cents each. All right, everything that you see here in this cart is $51.60 after sales prices. So we've got $7 each on the Olay, which is $21 total. We have the Gillette razors that are $9.99 each. That's going to be $19.98. Then we have the Palmolive and Swivel that are both $2.49 each, or $4.98 total. And then we have the Honey Nut Cheerios there, 3 boxes on sale for $1.88 at a total of $5.64. After using a 5 off 3 digital coupon, a 5 off 1 digital, a 4 off 1 digital, $1 each off, and then we have $1.50 off 3. The out-of-pocket would be $38.10. Now I also have this $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $30. It's a paper booster coupon. And on my online account, I have a 10 back on 45. It's a summer savings promotion, so everybody should have got that. And since my total is over $45, we'll get that back as well. Now, once I use all of the coupons and the digital boosters, I'm going to receive back $17 in Walgreens cash for the boosters, $8 in Walgreens cash for the Olay, so $25 total. And then we'll get $10 register reward back for the Gillette for grabbing 2 of them, and then $2 register reward back for this, because I grabbed 2 of them as well. Plus, we're going to take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on each box of Cheerios for $2.25 back total. So the final cost is actually going to be completely free and a $5.15 moneymaker for everything you see here, which is absolutely amazing. But on top of it, I actually have $15 in register rewards that I'm going to use to make that out of pocket, not $34, but actually going to be around $19, and I think it's 10 cents. But I'm going to get back a ton of money. It's still going to make it free, which is going to be awesome. All right, I think we're ready to go check out. What do you think? Somebody's done shopping. All right, we got everything. I think it worked okay. I haven't checked it all, so we're going to look.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like everything ended up being okay. I did have one hiccup. The Suavitel and the Palmolive is right, but the Venus Comfort Razor was supposed to bring up $9.99 and bring up $12.99. So there's $3 more here than I was expecting to pay. However, the $5 coupon for the Gillette came off and the $4 coupon for the Venus came off. So I'm actually a little bit ahead of what I originally thought I was going to do. I'm going to have to do the math on this completely to show you exactly what happened. But I was expecting that to bring up $9.99, unfortunately. But we're still going to get a freebie and moneymaker, so I'm not going to fight it. We have the 3 Olays on here, the Gillette, and then the General Mills cereals. You'll notice I had $15 in register rewards, so there is the booster. These first 4 manufacturer coupons are from the last week, so that took off $15. And then we had a 5 come off for the Olay, a 5 come off for the Gillette, a 4 come off for the Gillette Venus, and then the $1.50 came off for the cereals. We had the $1 off each, the Suavitel and the Palmolive, which left me at $22.10. I was expecting more like $19.10, but like I said, $3 more for the razor. Still going to be a moneymaker, so I'm not that upset. With tax, I paid $25.04 out of pocket. But I did get the $17.54 in Walgreens cash. 10 of that was from the digital booster, spend $45, get 10 back for the summer savings that everybody should have. And then my paper booster was spend $30, get 7. I was expecting $10 back in Walgreens cash for the Olay deal, but it ended up being a register reward. So again, not going to complain. All right, so I think I said that wrong. I did get my $10 register reward back for the razors. I was expecting that to be a register reward. I got an $8 register reward for the Olay. That I was expecting to be Walgreens cash, and I think it is Walgreens cash if you order online, but that's okay. I still got it back there. Now, one thing to note, both of these have a 1-week expiration date, so I am going to have to make sure I spend those next Sunday. And then I have a 2 back for buying both of the Palmolive and the Suavitel here. Now this one I've got 2 weeks, so if I have to wait another week to spend this one, I have time to do so. All right, so now I'm going to submit the receipt to Ibotta and hopefully get $2.25 back for the 3 cereals, and we'll be good to go. Carmen, are you ready to go home?
Yes.
She is done cake, so we're heading home and maybe get some ice cream. What's that sound like?
Yeah.